Back at Tim's, the B5. Ain't no intro. Had to bring some shit over here for Tim. He needs one of these. We just cut this and assemble this AN line for the oil catch can. Chop the hole in the firewall. And I think I'm about to do this one next. This got powder coated. This needs powder coat still. That needs powder coat. I changed my oil coolant line. It normally runs across the top, but that also needs powder coat. And we have our compressor housing. That also needs powder coat. And then we, I think we just left to the intercooler, which is right over there. I guess that's just like a little mini update, you know, on the B5. Still trying to get it out this summer. This intake man, he's looking at it. Alright. Here, I had to bring this intake manifold for the Mark IV 12 valve turbo. Powder coated, and the thread pattern was wrong for R36 throttle body. So Tim fixed that and powder coated it, made it all pretty. So I'm gonna be probably fucking with that later on tonight and making more progress on the Mark IV 12 valve GTI VR6 turbo. All right, and that's pretty much all I got to show you for now. Ain't no outro.